Are you in a panic trying to market your business without Facebook? Don't worry, there's totally a way for you to market and grow your business exclusively online without having to rely on social media. Let me show you how. Hey, if we haven't met, my name's Dara. I'm a web designer for solopreneurs. I help them get a brand that shows the world that they mean business. All right, I know Facebook goes down, Instagram goes down, and you don't know what to do because that's how you've been getting clients. Well, here's the truth. You need some other way in order to get clients and grow your business because you can't solely depend on another platform. So let me share with you 3 ways that you need to be ready to grow your business even without social media. The first way is you need to have a place to send people. Absolutely, they need to be able to find you without social media. They need to be able to Google your name, your business name, and you come up. And it won't link to your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your YouTube, anything else. It'll go to your website, which, yes, means you need a website. And I know I'm a web designer and I'm supposed to be telling you to get a website because, that's how I built my business. But the truth is you absolutely 100% of the time need to be able to be found on Google. So many people, even with social media, are going to go look at your website before they ever contact you. You need a website. You need a place to send people that isn't your social media. And it needs to be clearly laid out so that people know what you do, how you can help them, and what their next steps are going to be. They need to be able to go to your website and be like, oh, she can help me with blank. And in order to get that help, I need to do X. Make it clear, make it really connect with them, make sure that your copy speaks directly to their heart. So when they land on your website, they know that you are their person. The second thing that you need to have is you need to make sure to have a business email address. Not a Gmail account, not a Yahoo account. You need to have a professional email address that really shows the world that you mean business. This is so important because if you're going to be able to connect with clients outside of social media, one of the main ways to do that is through email. And if you're sending them an email from a Gmail account, it's going to tell them that you're not really serious about your business. You can use Gmail's platform for email if that's what you prefer. It's a Google Workspace account is what it's currently called in 2021. They seem to change their name a lot, but it uses Gmail's platform and it connects with your domain. It's absolutely, I would 100% recommend it because it's going to enable you to reach out to your audience via email, even if you can't do it on a social media platform. And it shows them that you're really serious about your business. So the third thing that you need is you need an email list. And I know this goes back to email marketing for so many people, and it's true. You should have an email list. You should have a list of potential clients that you're nurturing on a regular basis with content. But beyond that, you need an actual email list. You need a CRM. You need a spreadsheet of people, of potential clients and regular clients, and ways to contact them that's not just their Instagram account or a link to their Facebook page. You need their email address. You need to make sure that you have a way to keep in contact with people outside of social media. Email marketing is great, and I totally recommend you have an email list, but that's still your stuff being held on another platform, right? And so we want to make sure that outside of that, you have some kind of CRM or spreadsheet somewhere that has a list of potential clients, as well as former clients. Today, while Facebook was down, I sent emails out to former clients just to connect and see where they're going. I wouldn't be able to do that if I didn't have an email list of former clients. And so know that you need a way to contact people yourself outside of social media. So just to review, the 3 things that you can do to market your business off of social media is 1, have a place to send people off of social media so they can find you. That's your website. 2 is have a way to contact people through a professional looking way. That's your business email address. And the third way is have a way to contact them. So you need an email list that isn't hooked up to social media. You need to have a way to contact potential clients as well as past clients through their actual email. It can be done. I promise you, you can grow your business outside of social media if you choose. But you have to make sure to go back to the basics with this. Find a way to connect with people. Make sure that you have a place to send people, especially if you want to get referrals, which is one of the greatest ways to grow your business off of social media is through referral marketing. If you want referrals, then you need to have a professional website that your referrals can send people to that really shows them, you know what, this is how she can help me and this is how I get started. If you're not there with your business, then let's talk about how you can get a website and a brand that shows the world you mean business.